You know, it's really fascinating, these kinds of events where you talk about quantum computing, solving CFD with quantums and AI. And on the other hand, you have conversations and you feel that data integration in the enterprise isn't yet solved. So this is kind of a broad spectrum of where we are at the moment in our world. Every company wants and needs to be data-driven and AI-enabled. Yet, the reality is a different one. Data is highly fragmented in separate siloed systems, really painful to integrate. BI teams and data analysts are always overloaded with the questions the business has, and we all have experienced in the last years that large language models lack accuracy, traceability, and consistency. All this leads to a painful cycle from data to decisions. Where businesses have questions they hope getting answers from data, they try to explain those questions to data analysts who hopefully have worked in that domain before, understand the vocabulary the business is speaking, then go off and find the data in different source systems, usually involving data engineers who help to integrate the data, clean the data, give it back to the data analyst who then queries the data and gives the answer back in a presentation or dashboard to the business, who then reasons with those informations and hopefully makes better decisions. All this is far away from a nice cycle from data to insights because it takes days, weeks, or even months in reality to go through this cycle. What companies really want to have is combined information across domains, get instant answers even to complex questions, and rely on their AI assistants they have built based on their knowledge in the company. This is what we enable with d.AP. This is the personal data analyst for every employee in your company. This is conversational AI you can trust. Imagine a scenario where you ask a question which is related to data from different sources. In this example, how many customers use multiple of your products and not just one. What d.AP is doing, it understands this question from a business perspective, goes through the data, builds a query and returns a fact-based answer live from your source systems. If you don't trust it, just ask it. And d.AP will give you back the whole logic, how it got to that answer, including even the query it used to retrieve the data. So this is real explainability by design. The core of our platform is a knowledge graph, which consists of an ontology representing your business, your domain you're working in, and combining it with the real facts of your enterprise, seamlessly connecting to any kind of enterprise legacy system you have in place, whether it be SAP or something built by your own. All this powering then powerful analytic capabilities and AI on top of it. d.AP is used by companies who need to integrate separate data and want to have access as well to information from those systems. Examples are 360-degree customer profile, end-to-end value chain analysis like from order to delivery, product analytics, financial controlling, or the evergreen supply chain management. The result is always the same. We at least 10x the current data analytics capabilities in your company. We could even say we eliminate the need for data analysts, but that depends to whom we talk. We reduce the costs to integrate data by at least 70%. In the long run, it's up to 90% because you're doing it just once and not every time again for every question you have. It takes 3 months from idea to go live, even in enterprise IT environments. And once in place, you gain insights in 30 seconds, which used to take weeks or even months before. Let's untap the real potential of data and AI.